Welcome to the 11th video on our weekly legal update series. In this video, we will be discussing important legal events from 11th January to 16 January 2021. In first important news, the Supreme Court has held that incorporation of unreasonable and one-sided clauses in apartment buyer's agreement constitutes as an unfair trade practice. In the case of Ireo Grace Realtech Private Limited versus Abhishek Khanna, the court has held that incorporation of one-sided clauses and unreasonable clauses in the apartment buyer's agreement constitutes as an unfair trade practice under Section 2(1)(r) of the Consumer Protection Act. In second important news, the Supreme Court has stayed the implementation of the 3 farm laws until further orders. A bench of Justices Bobde, Bopanna and Ramasubramanian has stayed the implementation of the 3 farm laws, the 3 farm laws being the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement of Price Assurance and Farm Services Act 2020, Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act of 2020, and the 2020 amendment to the Essential Commodities Act. Further, the Supreme Court has also ordered the constitution of a 4-member committee to look into the grievances of the parties. In third important news, the Supreme Court has held that allegations of fraud are arbitrable. In the case of NN Global Mercantile Private Limited versus Indo Unique Flame Limited, the court has said that allegations of fraud are not arbitrable is an archaic view and deserves to be discarded. The mere fact that it could be a subject matter of a criminal proceeding as well would not take away the arbitrability of allegations of fraud. Further, the court has also relied upon the recent judgment of Vidya Trolya in arriving at the conclusion that allegations of fraud are arbitrable in nature. In fourth important news, the Supreme Court has held that vacancies attributable to 2020 cannot be filled up from the list drawn for previous selection year. In the case of High Court of Kerala versus Reshma, the court has said that vacancies for 2020 must be allocated to candidates who are duly selected in 2020. Candidates who have ranked lower in the year 2019 cannot appropriate the vacancies of a subsequent year to themselves. In fifth important news, the Supreme Court has upheld the order of NGT and directed demolition of a hotel built on forest land in Himachal Pradesh. In the case of Himachal Pradesh Bus Stand Management and Development Authority versus Central Empowered Committee, the court has noted that the construction was illegal in nature and thereby has directed for the demolition of that particular structure. The court has upheld the decision of NGT and relied upon the concepts of environmental rule of law and the duty and role of the courts in environmental protection. In sixth important news, the Supreme Court has held that consensual affair is not a ground of defense against a charge of kidnapping a minor. In the case of Anwar Singh versus State of Gujarat, while hearing an appeal filed by Anwar Singh, the court has noted that consensual affair is not a defense against the charge of kidnapping a minor. Lastly, Allahabad High Court, in an important judgment, has held that mandatory publication of notice under the Special Marriage Act violates one's right to privacy. In the case of Safia Sultana versus State of UP, Justice Chaudhary has held that the requirements of Section 6 and 7 of the Special Marriage Act are not mandatory. The court has said that publication of notice of intended marriage and inviting objections is only optional in nature. This brings us to the end of our video. If you like our content, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.